Welcome. In front of me I have ASUS Zenfone 8 and the AirPods, and I'm going to show you how we can connect this to the device. At the first, let's focus on the AirPods. You have to open the charging case. Next, click and hold on this back button. Let's make it. When this indicator on the front starts blinking, you have to release that key and move for the Bluetooth settings on your ASUS. Enable Bluetooth. Take a look on the available devices list. When AirPods pops here, you have to tap on them, so be patient and wait a little bit. As you can see here, we got the AirPods, so let's connect. Click pair, and as you can see, after a few moments we are connected. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.